I'm going to tell you the key tactic to losing that belly fat and how to lose up to 20 pounds and 10% body fat in the next 6 weeks. I'm Dr. Eric, the fitness physician. If you're over 40 and still enjoy training, working out, going to the gym, playing with your kids, then pay attention. Summer is here, and if you want to feel comfortable taking your shirt off or putting on that bathing suit, then this is for you. I developed a 6-week body fat reduction program called Primex Body Partitioning Program. The key to the success of this program is to treat the body at the cellular level. This program includes my custom formulated fat burning supplement called Meta 3. These supplements blow away the competition because they're not stock formulas. I custom designed them myself. The AM formula is loaded with nutrients and minerals to start the fat burning process, give you clean energy without the jitters, and appropriate appetite suppression. The PM formula promotes sleep, adrenal health, and continues the fat burning process. Meta 3 combined with my cutting edge nutrition and fitness body partitioning program will get your summer body ready and lose that gut. Click the link below to order Meta 3 today and receive a free consultation with myself and Primex trainer Jeff McClendon. This is a great value and it will not last. Call today or go to the website drericprimex.com or click the link below. Let's get your summer body back. Thank you.